Hey there, gaming enthusiasts and tech aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you gamers out there, the EKSA E1000 USB gaming headset. If you're on the hunt for the best gaming headset with exceptional sound quality, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into what makes this headset stand out from the rest. As we unbox the EKSA E1000, you'll notice the attention to detail in its packaging. The headset is securely nestled inside with all the necessary accessories, including the user manual and a carry pouch for convenience. One of the first things you'll appreciate is the comfortable fit. The EKSA E1000 is designed for long gaming sessions, with premium soft memory protein earmuffs and an adjustable headband that ensures a balanced weight distribution and reduced clamping force. Plus, it's perfect for those of us with larger ears. Now, let's talk about what truly matters: sound quality. The EKSA E1000 boasts 50mm magnetic neodymium drivers that deliver a powerful and immersive gaming experience. Whether you're in the heat of battle or enjoying your favorite tunes, the audio clarity and depth are truly impressive. Another standout feature is the noise-canceling microphone. With a 120 degrees adjustable high-sensitive microphone and omnidirectional noise reduction technology, your voice comes through loud and clear. Say goodbye to distracting background noise during intense gaming sessions or in-game chats. For those who love a bit of flair, the EKSA E1000 comes with cool RGB gradient LED lights. They add a touch of style to your gaming setup without being overly flashy. Plus, you won't hear any annoying electronic noise from the lights. Setting up the EKSA E1000 is a breeze. It's a plug-and-play device, so there's no need for extra downloads or hassle. Just plug it into your USB audio port, and you're ready to go. Worried about short cables limiting your movements? Not with the EKSA E1000. It features a generous 2.2-meter extremely durable cable that gives you the freedom to enjoy your game with no boundaries. This headset is versatile, compatible with PC, PS4, PS5 consoles, laptops, and other devices with a USB audio port. Please note that it's not compatible with game controllers. In conclusion, the EKSA E1000 USB gaming headset is a top-notch choice for gamers and anyone looking for outstanding sound quality and comfort. With its noise-canceling microphone, immersive sound, and stylish RGB lighting, it's an excellent addition to your gaming arsenal. And there you have it, folks. A closer look at the EKSA E1000 USB gaming headset, the best gaming headset sound quality you can find in the market. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!